Hello, I'm back. I have my brand new MacBook Pro 16-inch. It is actually right now you cannot even get these in store, where you shouldn't be able to get it in store. You have to order it and you have to wait on it to come in the mail. But guess what? I went to a Best Buy and they had 7 in stock. So I'm about to open it. I'm super excited. I wanted one of these for so long. And then the funny thing is, this brand new one came out. Apple has not released a new 16-inch MacBook Pro since 2019. And so I have this one. And I'm excited like a little kid on Christmas. So let's open it up. I just took the plastic off. Now let's see how I can do the phone. Make sure you can see. This thing don't lift up higher, right? Height-wise. Okay. So, one second. Let's take it out here. You probably have to hold this. Oh, I could probably flip it. Let me see. Can I flip this? If I can't. No, I don't think I can flip it. So, let's see what we can do here. Let's sit in the box. I'm gonna open it up. Hold it. It's on me for right now, but yeah. Our husband's gonna help me out. There you go. Stay just like that. Okay. So, top box is off. Get there. Wrapped in like a little plastic folder. And here it is. It may look small on there, but this thing is huge. Oh, wrong side. Okay, so here's how it looks up close. And it's got these 4, it's to help it like stay on the table. It's got these 4 sections here in black. This is the front, of course. Here's where we open it. Opens up. I don't know if that was the computer just made that noise or one of my kids.
No, it did it on its own.
Okay, like it's loading something. Okay, so it does have, let me show you. Here, there's a thumbprint. Your fingerprint can go right here. So I thought that was really cool. This mouse track area is huge. And I actually already have an Apple mouse, so of course I'm gonna pair it to this. Let's see what else comes in the box. In the box, what is this? There's just okay, just like stuff, probably like user guide stuff. Okay, it has some stickers. I never use these, but it came with the stickers. And this is my first MacBook Pro. I've had an iPad for years. I still have the iPad. I love my iPad. I think it's a 7th gen, but when I got it, it was brand new. And I took really good care of it. The charger. Huge charging. Huge thing. Like, this is huge. And then the cord. Charging cord. And so that's it. Let's see what I need to click on here. Did I do something wrong? Get back down. Okay, United States, continue.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to...
Continue. All right, don't need any of that right now. And then I select my Wi-Fi. And I'm about to get set up. So, I like it the most because first it's a MacBook, it's an Apple product, love Apple products, and it's the 16-inch and it's brand new. Like it literally just came out like a week ago and I have one. I'm super excited. Oh, it also has this little, like your cell phone. If you have the Pro cell phone, you know, it has this line here, this little piece here. It's just got the same thing, kind of like the cell phone here. I don't know if you can see it too well, but it's like button here where you, I'm assuming we can touch, what is it, screen touch with your thumb, finger touch. The speakers are here. The mouse pad, like I said, this is huge. Like it takes up more than half of the computer. All right guys, that's all that I have. Thanks for watching.